Guess this is part 2 because it turned off. Cooking on the Barbie. Rolled steak. Jekyll hanging in there. Rolled steak. Nice night out. April 18th. Didn't get the grass cut. I got my birdhouse up. I got my hummingbird feeders out. Got the Baltimore Oriole feeder out. And my suet needs a new piece. So, pickup hasn't moved in 2 days. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, they've been cooking, oh, I don't know, about 12 minutes. The toothpicks are still there. They're burnt, but they're still there. Ooh, look. Look at that. Oh, look good. So I'm going to go ahead and take them off. And we'll pop them inside. Hang on. Okay, here they are inside. I'm not going to add anything to them. I'll plate them and cut it and show you. I got fresh broccoli boiling. And I got a baked potato going, so stand by. Alright, so I got my baked potato cooked in the microwave. Yes, I have a very complicated counter going. Lots of stuff, but the only way I know how to do this so that you can see. I was also showed something else. Keep your water off your broccoli or your cauliflower as much as you can. Give it to your plants. Why throw all that nutrition out, right? So, here we go. Got some nice broccoli. I'll take care of that later. Got a baked potato. I never eat all of it, so keep half for tomorrow morning for breakfast. There's only me in the house. And because there's only me in the house, I eat at the chair. So I cut up all ahead of time. Only use butter. Butter, parquet. Butter, parquet. Yes, I use a lot. All right. So there's our plate going. Clyde's going. Here's our roll up steak. Make sure you pull the toothpicks. How many did you put in, Don? 3 or 4? You put in 3, you pull out 3. Put in 4, pull out 4. Right? Sounds stupid, but you need to remember that. All right. I don't know how I'm going to do this and cut this so that you can see it. But you got to look at this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So it's got cream cheese and onion, mushroom, spinach. That's all that's in there. Oh, I may eat both of these. I may just eat both of these. Sorry, Case. Hey, that's good. You need to try this.